Maybe it's not your dream, Emily, but that's her dream.
We just need to be sensitive to the way women are thinking now. I want to protect your brand.
Like, I love the continuity of Emily's ideas right here. The last episode, she was trying to say to Sylvie how this perspective she has is all about being in the perspective of a customer. And now she's also doing that in here because these clients are thinking like their product. They're the one deciding about how they're gonna look or the message that they want to spread out about their product. But Emily right here is staying put on that part where she's thinking about the perspective of the customers again, because that's really a smart way to do marketing right there. You really need to take into account the perspective of those people that you wanted to be